Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here. If this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. Today's a special video because I have been using the Robinhood app for exactly 1 year. With that said, I'm going to go over some numbers with you, the money I've invested, stocks I've transferred from different accounts such as TD Ameritrade, to money I got in dividends, rewards, total, and all that. So sit back, hang out, enjoy the outside with me today as we go over my Robinhood portfolio. Now, since the beginning, I started this August 11th last year, and it's been a crazy journey. I invested a combined amount of cash of $778. Now, I had a TD Ameritrade account back in, I want to say about May or June, and I started the TD Ameritrade with $100. Basically took that money and I transferred it over to the Robinhood app. I liked how it had the free commission trading, and I wasn't being charged all the time to trade in and out of positions. So I did a stock transfer of $101.27. And with that stock transfer, if you guys have never done one before, basically you get the exact same stocks you did from your previous platform or account that you were using of the other broker, and they put that into your Robinhood account. So combined total, I invested $879 into my portfolio. Now, for all of the subscribers that have been watching my channel, I did make that to $1,000. I hit my $1,000 mark 32 weeks into my Robinhood challenge. I was going to push myself to try to get that up a little bit higher, but some circumstances happened. I had a surgery I went through, and also had another investment opportunity I couldn't pass up. So I did take out 500 in, man, I want to say like around February or March, and I took another 500 out in April when I had my surgery. So I did take money out of this account. Now, with that said, I did get $13 in dividends for the whole year. That's not a whole heck of a lot, but there for about 6 months, I wasn't even really dividend capturing at all. So that's not bad, though, for dividend income for a small portfolio. And then in rewards, people signing up for my link, I got $343 in reward income. People signed up with my link, and I got my highest share I got was a share of Facebook, and that was $179. Pretty cool. Some of the smaller accounts like Chesapeake Energy, Zynga, even Siri, I believe, still good. And with that said, I believe I have over 30 plus shares for this year. So that brought me up to a total of $1,235 combined with the invested money, stock transfer, dividends, and rewards. But I've only pulled 1,000 out of here, exactly 1,000. So with that said, I actually have $1,316.87, which would be my total assets or total portfolio value if I didn't pull out that 1,000. So that leaves me with a $81.87 appreciation in stock value, or growth of that stock. I was able to lock in a lot of that and into capital gains. So total for profits for the whole year, including dividends, rewards, and the appreciation of the stock, I was looking at $437.87 in profit for 1 year. Now, that's pretty good profit if you base that off of, say, the $1,000, because as you're aware, I didn't have $1,000 in there to start with. I started with about 28 bucks. So 28 bucks all the way to 1,300 is actually quite an achievement. Now, I have invested money, little bits of money here and there. It's nothing crazy. I could go to my history and show you just some of the different transfers and different transactions that I've made, starting from the beginning. You know, I started small, guys. I started really small with what I was doing. Nothing big. I started with $5 September 1st, put 10 on the 14th, 25 on the 15th, and I just put small amounts of money into my account every couple of weeks when I could. Like I put $4 there, $5 there, and just put little bits of money as much as I could for a while. And then, as you can see, as proof, on April 5th and as well as May 4th, I took out $500 on each occasion. Those did go through, and I was able to take care of the things I needed to take care of. Now, starting out again for August 8th, I put in $100 into this account, and in July, I also put close to $100 into the account. And I want to grow that. If we could do $100 a day, $100 a month, that'll really increase your account. Every year you'd have $1,200 or so. Now you guys can get started right now on your Robinhood journey today. I have a link below this video that you could sign up and we'll both get a free share. Now you are going to get a free share no matter what, but you do have a chance to get a really good, well-paid, high-priced share like Apple, Facebook, or Microsoft. Microsoft's in the 80s, Facebook's around the 180s, and Apple is a really good company to get involved too. I believe around the 170 mark. Now you're always guaranteed to get a free share, and when you start and open your account, then you can get your friends and relatives to start using your account to get free shares as well. Now, just to kind of show you, I've gotten a lot of free shares in the past from a lot of people who have signed up with my link. I just want to tell you, I really appreciate you guys using my link to sign up. If you have any questions and you're still watching this journey with me, feel free to go ahead and send me over a comment or message, anything you need to do, but it starts with just signing up with the link below. You put $5 in it, put $0 in it, and have a couple of friends and family members sign up with your link, and that's how I started. I had, I think, 6 referrals in the first week, just posting my link on Facebook and talking people through the process of what exactly Robinhood app is, and I was able to have $28 within the first week and be able to grow that to the $1,000 account that I had 32 weeks later. Now we're doing it again. We're building it back up, $30 mark, all the way up to the $300 mark. If you guys want to start this journey, that's all you have to do. It just starts by simply signing up and getting started. Alright, I hope you guys like this video. It shows you some of the insight into the Robinhood. I don't really have any bad things to say about the Robinhood app. I have Robinhood Instant, so anytime I wanted to buy a stock and didn't have the money, I just simply invest $5, $10, $100, whatever I needed, and they instantly went into my account. I could buy the stocks, claim ownership of them, and then days later it would settle in my bank account. And that's kind of how I was able to do that too. I like Robinhood Instant. Also recently, over the last few days, they just started Robinhood free trading before and after hours. So now you can start trading at 7 in the morning my time instead of 7:30, and I trade all the way through until 4 o'clock my time instead of 2 p.m. So it's really cool. Gives you that extra little push. But remember, during the after hours, there is a lot less volatility for the meantime. I'm not sure if having this free trading extended hours might help with some of that volatility and trading volume later, but for right now I'm not too sure on just trading after hours. I've placed positions in and they haven't even gone through until the next day or the next morning, so sometimes it might not even be worth trading, but it's still interesting that they're providing it for free. Again, I like Robinhood. I don't see anything wrong with it. I'm not going to be going anywhere anytime soon. I do not like to pay for trades from E-Trade or Fidelity or really anything like that, Charles Schwab, because it adds up. That adds up into your profits quite a lot. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more content coming out. This is just year 1 on the Robinhood app. We're going to be going and pushing it further and further and doing some more video updates. I hope you guys like the strong buys that I put out, as well as monthly income stocks, and I'll be getting into some passive income as well. So you guys have a great day.